National parks. Important facts. India has a total of 106 national parks, which covers total area of 44,378 km, which is 1.35% of the country's geographical area. The national park is protected under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The name of India's first national park is Haley National Park, 1936. The latest national parks in India are Dihing Patkai National Park, Kosanro, and Raimona National Park, some established in 2021. The largest national park in India is Hemis National Park, Ladakh. Hemis National Park is globally famous for its snow leopards. The smallest national park in India is South Baton Island National Park, Andaman Nicobar. Madhya Pradesh has the highest number of 12 national parks in India. Deechigam National Park has been established for the conservation of the Hangal or Kashmiri deer, Jammu and Kashmir. The Asiatic lion is found in the Gir National Park, Giriat. Sariskan National Park, Rajasthan, and Ranthambore National Park, Rajasthan, are safe places for tigers. 8 cheetahs from Namibia have been brought to Kuno National Park in India by special aircraft. Punjab is the only Indian state which has no national park. India's first marine national park is the Marine National Park located in Rann of Kutch, Gujarat. India's only floating national park is Kabul Lamjung National Park, where Sangha Idam Singh Deer is found. The Royal Bengal tiger is found in the Sundarbans National Park, West Bengal. Subscribe.